Welcome to 2025, the year to shape your financial future one step at a time. In today's video, we're diving into mindset mastery, the foundation of lasting wealth. Rule number 1, believe that building wealth is possible for you. This isn't about overnight success or quick wins. The real magic? It lies in focusing on growth. That means embracing discipline, practicing patience, and setting clear goals by breaking them into actionable steps. Whether you're investing, saving, or budgeting, remember, every small move counts. Keep your eyes on the prize, and don't forget to celebrate your progress along the way. As we journey through 2025, let's make financial freedom our ultimate aim. Start with believing in the potential within you. Understand that wealth is within reach, and it begins with your mindset. Big changes often come from the smallest actions, so take each step deliberately. Cultivate discipline in your habits, because consistent actions lead to consistent results. Practice patience, as wealth is built over time, not overnight. When setbacks arise, view them as learning opportunities. They're just steps on your path to success. Set clear, manageable goals and divide them into small, digestible tasks. This method makes it easier to track progress and increases your chances of success. Regularly take time to review and realign your path. Flexibility is key. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small, as each one is a stepping stone to your financial future. Remember, progress isn't always about speed, it's about direction. Whether you're new to financial planning or looking to refine your strategies, we're here to guide you. By the end of this year, you'll have built a strong foundation for lifelong financial success. So, let's make it happen, one smart step at a time. Your journey to financial mastery starts now. Keep moving forward, stay focused, and let's make 2025 a year of transformation. Thank you for watching, and here's to your prosperous journey ahead.